The spirit of power, the energy around you, aligns with your inner strength, guiding you to embrace your limitless potential. Challenges may arise, but remember, a reservoir of courage and resilience lies within you. Trust in the divine flow of life, knowing that every step is infused with purpose. Your spirit radiates with light and determination, capable of transforming any situation. Let go of fear and doubt. Stand tall in your power, for the universe supports you fully. Today, you are a force of love, wisdom, and strength. Right now, someone is packing their bags, ready to leave after thinking they have trapped you. They believe their actions have brought you to a point where you will never recover. They have made your life a series of hardships, one after another, manipulating situations that cause setbacks in your career and personal life, and even sowing chaos in your family. They have worked behind the scenes, pulling strings in ways that left you feeling powerless, lost, and deeply hurt. Your family, watching from the sidelines, is distressed. They see you struggling, they know the pain in your eyes, and they feel helpless. The weight of what this person has done has affected every aspect of your life, creating a cloud of darkness that makes you question your worth, your decisions, and even your path. But what they don't know is that the universe has a message for you. The universe has seen everything. It has watched as you were pushed into silence, as your joy and peace were taken away from you. Yet, despite all this, you have. You might have felt broken, but you never truly shattered. That silence, the calm that you were forced into, is only temporary. It is not a sign of defeat, but a time of reflection and preparation. The universe has been working in the background, aligning things in your favor even when you couldn't see it. The setbacks, the pain, and the suffering were not meant to break you, but to build your resilience. You were never meant to stay quiet forever. Soon your voice will be heard again, and when you speak, you will speak with a strength that no one can ignore. The person who thought they had cornered you will soon realize that their plans are falling apart. They thought they had silenced you for good, but they underestimated your strength. They are unaware that their actions have left behind a trail of truth that you will use to your advantage. The lies, the deceit, and the manipulations will be exposed. You have the truth on your side, and the truth is the most powerful tool you can wield. As you gather your evidence and prepare to speak out, the universe is guiding you. Each piece of the puzzle is falling into place. The person who tried to bring you down will not be able to run from the consequences of their actions. They will face justice because what they did was wrong. Their plans to make your life a living hell will backfire, and they will be the ones answering for their misdeeds. The world will see their true colors, and their attempts to tarnish your name will come undone. As you stand up and reclaim your voice, you'll find that more people than ever are listening, ready to support you and stand by your side. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. With every challenge, you've grown stronger and more capable. You've learned to trust yourself and rely on your inner strength, something that no one can take away from you. This period of silence was not wasted. It was a time when you built your strength in the shadows, readying yourself for the moment you step back into the light. As you emerge from this trial, you'll find that you're not alone. Others who have faced similar trials will look to you as a beacon of hope and resilience. Your story will inspire those who feel voiceless to speak up and fight for their rights. The community you build around your shared experiences will be a source of immense power and encouragement. This journey has been tough, no doubt, but it's shaped you into the person you are today, stronger, wiser, and unbreakable. The universe isn't just a backdrop, it's an active participant in your story, aligning opportunities and orchestrating events in your favor. The connections you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the challenges you've overcome are all threads in the larger tapestry of your life. Soon the tables will turn. The person who caused you so much pain will realize their mistake in underestimating your resilience. Justice has a way of catching up with those who tread on the wrong path. Meanwhile, you'll continue to build a life of success and happiness. The struggles you've endured will become the foundation of your strength, not just a shadow of the past. As you move forward, remember that each step you take is guided by the universe, pushing you toward a future filled with promise and potential. You're not just reclaiming your life, you're redefining it. With every breath, you're writing a new chapter, one where you are the hero, not the victim. A chapter where your voice, once silenced, now echoes powerfully, touching lives and enacting change. In the end, you'll look back on this chapter as a pivotal moment in your life. It was difficult, yes, but also incredibly important. It taught you about your strength, your worth, and your ability to overcome. With the universe as your witness, you're not just moving on, you're moving up. Stepping into a future where your past doesn't haunt you, but instead reminds you of just how capable you are. The universe has big plans for you, and this is just the beginning. The universe has a way of ensuring that justice is served, and in this case, the truth will lead them directly to the authorities. Your happiness and peace will be restored. The universe will not allow your spirit to remain broken. You have not done anything wrong, and because of that, the scales will tip in your favor. The pain you endured was not for nothing. It was a test of your strength, your patience, and your perseverance. You stood firm in the face of adversity, and because of that, you will rise again. When the dust settles, you will find yourself in a place of peace. The challenges that once seemed insurmountable will be behind you. This isn't the end of your journey, but a new beginning. You will move forward with a deeper understanding of yourself and the people around you. The lessons you've learned during this time will stay with you, making you wiser and stronger. You are no longer the same person who was once trapped in silence. You are someone who knows their worth, someone who can't be easily broken. The person who tried to stop your growth no longer has any power over you. Their attempts to control your life are over, and they will face the consequences of their actions. The universe ensures that those who cause harm are held accountable. Meanwhile, you will find peace because you stayed true to yourself. You didn't stoop to their level, you kept your integrity. And in the end, that is what will set you free. There will be a day when you look back on all this and realize it was just one chapter in your life, a difficult chapter, but one that led to a brighter, more fulfilling future. The universe always shows us that even in our darkest moments, there is light ahead. You have a future filled with happiness, success, and peace. All the things that were taken from you will be returned, and you will enjoy them even more because of what you've been through. You're stronger than you know. You've come this far, and that in itself is a victory. The universe rewards those who endure with patience and grace, and your reward is on its way. It may not happen overnight, but it is coming. Every day brings you closer to the justice and peace you deserve. The universe will not let you down. When the person who tried to harm you realizes they can no longer run, it will be because you stood your ground. You spoke your truth, showed the evidence, and let the universe take care of the rest. The universe will ensure they are stopped, and you will be free to move on with your life without their shadow hanging over you. Your career, personal life, and family will begin to heal. The damage they caused will fade away, and you will emerge stronger than ever. The love and support of your family, along with the strength you found within yourself, will carry you forward. The universe has seen your struggle and will ensure that your future is filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment. In the end, the universe always knows what it's doing, even when we can't see the bigger picture. It is guiding us toward our highest good. The setbacks, the pain, and the challenges were all part of a greater plan to make you stronger. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.